witches and wizards, welcome to the Ocean County Library's Geeky Crafting as part of FanNation 2020 week. I'm Maya, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Harry Potter lava cake from one of the books in our collection.
So before I begin, I just want to briefly show you where I found the recipe we'll be making today. It's from the Geek's Cookbook, which came out in 2018. And as you can see, they have a myriad of different fandoms. And I've gone in and changed a few things. Obviously, I just tried to stick to the Ravenclaw theme, so I did add like a blue frosting on top. Basically, it's very self-explanatory, pretty easy to follow, so I am going to go through the process of showing you making the lava cake myself from this cookbook so that you can go forth and try to do the same, or perhaps find other recipes within the cookbook that you enjoy from whatever fandom you like. Before we end, I just wanted to show you the Hoopla app on the mobile phone. It's very much the same as the computer version. You can see the title of the book, the description of the book. You can check out the book. You can resume where you were looking at before. So if instead of carrying around your computer to look at the recipe, you can just pull out your phone and pull up the recipe.
Alright, that's it for today. I hope you learned something new and you can go forth and impress all your friends with a tasty lava cake. No matter which way you slice it, this lava cake is yummy and delicious and can help you represent any house for any Harry Potter themed party, or any geeky themed party really. Hope you enjoyed and have a wonderful day. Bye.